The plastic zipper on my favorite cooler bag broke. Normally, you can crimp the sides of metal zipper pulls to fix it. But this doesn't work for plastic zipper pulls. I noticed that squeezing the center of the pull worked to secure the zipper. So I got vice grips and carefully clamped the pull, but not too much to crush it. Then pull to confirm that it secured the zipper. Next, I placed the bag in my van and let it bake in the hot sun for several hours. And the moment of truth? It works. For how long? I have no idea.